Hello everyone. So let's begin deploying Create React app application on Toystack using the remix feature. So basically you're going to go on the offerings, go on the remixes. As you can see over here, you have to click React Starter Boilerplate. So once you click on this, you're going to click on clone and deploy. Once you're done with that, you're going to give a repository name, React application demo, and click on create clone. So repository access is given to this, and you're going to configure and activate the repository. So you're going to go and choose React as framework, keep everything as same, and click on save changes, select plan, and then proceed with payment and activation. Going back to the repository dashboard, right, you're going to click on deploy from branch, choose branch as master, and click on deploy. You can see over here the application is deployed successfully and the URL is in ready status. Click on the URL, you'll be able to see the hello world output. It was the basic output required.